Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stabilize footage in Davinci Resolve. So the first step is quite simple. Import the footage you're going to be stabilizing. Okay, so come to the import button over there, tap on the plus icon. So when you tap on the plus icon, scroll down until you choose the footage you're going to be stabilizing. Alright, so in my own opinion I'll choose this one here. Then I'll tap on open, as you can see. Alright, so after tapping on open, as you can see, basically we're going to be dragging this footage, then dropping it in the timeline just like that. So to avoid inconveniences, I'll reduce the volume a bit so that we can focus on the stabilizing of the footage. Okay. Alright, so with that all done, basically I'll carry this, then I put it back to the start of the footage just like that. Okay, so now we're going to be going to the next step of stabilizing. Basically, come to the footage, then put your mouse there. Now right click on the footage. Okay, so when you right click on the footage, basically come this side where you see video section. Now scroll down until you see stabilize. So stabilize is right here. Now click on that. Okay, so when you click on that, basically there's a drop down arrow here that says recommended. Okay, so leave it at recommended, and as you can see the process is running. If you can clearly look at this, it's now on 14%, 15%. So by the time it finishes and it reaches 100%, your footage would have been stabilized in a very good way. So basically at this point you just need to wait until it reaches 100% and your footage will be stabilized. Alright, so that's how basically you go about stabilizing footage in Davinci Resolve. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.